We had a little bit of a later morning, but I'm still going to make some waffles. So this is a gluten-free mix. There's not really a whole lot in it. And then I've been using grapeseed oil, cinnamon, oats, honey, and then an egg. And I don't know, like with waffles, it's so weird because you just like, I'm really terrible at measuring. I don't really measure a whole lot. I know when you guys ask me about like recipes and stuff, I'm like, just kind of look at it. So I just do like the mix, and then I just kind of look at it and see how it's mixing, together. I am not sick. I think it's from like my workout last night because I'm definitely like a little bit sore. Probably gonna have to go hands-free to get that lid off.